Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I decided let's go back to the corner takeout. I haven't visited the corner takeout in a while. So this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. Crab fried rice. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. Fish sauce, hot sauce. This is optional. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. White pepper, Chinese wine, soy sauce, cilantro, minced ginger, minced garlic, chopped scallions. I have an egg here I've already beaten. I have here lumped crab meat, fresh, real crabs. Don't use imitation. Lime wedges, and the rice that I cooked the day before. Because it's best to make the fried rice with day-old rice. Now let's get to making the crab fried rice. Oh, let me tell you this first. It's best when you do a stir fry is to prep all your vegetables, condiments, whatever you're going to use in the stir fry, because everything gonna be dumped at once. You don't want to put the garlic in, then stop and chop and put in. Have everything prepped first. We turn the wok on medium high, and we're going to add the oil to the pan. I already added the ginger and garlic in, and they're going to saute up together for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to have the rice jump into the garlic and ginger. And we're going to cook this up for 3 to 4 minutes. Well, the rice has been sauteing in the ginger and the garlic for 3 minutes. Now we're going to add the seasonings. The white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can use black. The soy sauce. The Chinese wine. And the fish sauce. Now you mix everything up. Oh yes, I want mine with a little heat. So I'm going to add the hot sauce. Now stir fry all of this up together and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So everything is incorporated. Now that all the seasonings have combined, this is what we do next. We spread it out in the wok. And then we pour the egg all over the rice mixture. We make sure all the rice is coated with the eggs. This is a simpler way to spread the rice out and then pour the egg over the rice instead of frying the rice, scrambling it, then mixing it with the rice. That's an easier way. Now we spread out the rice again to add the crab meat. We mix this up with the rice. Now we add the scallions, the cilantro. Then we squeeze some lime, a wedge of lime over everything. Now we mix everything up. You let everything warm up together for about 30 seconds. There you have it. Crab fried rice from the corner takeout. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.